Hi friends, there is a picture doing rounds which when you put it as a lock screen, it will crash your phone and you'll have no other option but to reset your phone. So let's see whether that is true or not. I have a Google Pixel 2 here. Let me try and download and put it as wallpaper. So I'll set it as wallpaper only for lock screen. Let's see if it works. So it has set as lock screen wallpaper, but I'm able to unlock the screen. Let me try to set it as both lock screen wallpaper and as home screen wallpaper and see what happens. Use as wallpaper, set wallpaper both as home screen and lock screen. You see it's crashing now. It's flickering all the time. It's not allowing me to do anything. I'm not able to even enter anything, and after a while it will switch off. So it's powering off. Okay, now it's saying cannot load Android system, your data may be corrupt. So it's asking us to factory reset. Let's try in safe mode once, whether it works. I'll hold down the bottom key while it is booting. It is said that it won't work even in recovery or safe mode. Safe mode will have the same wallpaper, so it still doesn't work. So it's in safe mode. It's showing here it's safe mode, and still it's flickering. So in recovery it's saying no command. We have no option now but to factory reset. So we get this, select factory reset. Again factory reset. Now all the data will get deleted. So make sure guys not to use this picture as wallpaper. This contains more RGB colors that your phone can handle, and that's why the lock screen keeps flickering. It's a bug. Hopefully the next version of Android will fix it. But till then, don't set these kind of wallpapers. Forward this video to your friends so that they don't have to factory reset and lose all data. Thanks for watching.